Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play my hero on electric guitar. First, let's master the fundamental chords. You'll primarily use G, D, C, and M. Focus on clear, ringing notes for each chord. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a consistent rhythm. Start slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed. A clean amplifier tone will help you hear each note distinctly. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. For the verses and chorus, a common pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Keep your wrist relaxed and your strumming hand moving fluidly. Pay close attention to the song's rhythm. It's crucial for capturing the right feel. Try counting out loud to stay in time, perhaps 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Consistency is key here, so practice with a metronome set to around 120 beats per minute. Now let's dive into the iconic main riff. This riff is played primarily on the low E string. You'll start with an open E, then move to the 3rd fret, and then the 5th fret. Use your index finger for the 3rd fret and your pinky finger for the 5th. The rhythm is quite straightforward, often played as 8th notes. Practice this section repeatedly, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Aim for a precise attack and release on each note. Finally, it's time to assemble all the pieces. Start by playing the intro riff, then transition into the verse chords with the correct strumming pattern. Practice moving seamlessly between the riff and the chord sections. Playing along with the original recording is an excellent way to synchronize your timing and feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with your amplifier's gain and tone controls to find a sound you love. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing my hero in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.